Looking for something fun to do your next group gathering? Try a paint and pass party. Here's what the ideal setup looks like. You'll want to protect your table with tablecloths and ensure you have enough canvases, one per person, as well as these supplies. You might want to consider having some food to make it really fun, and perhaps liquid courage to get creative. Before you jump in, I recommend you give your group really clear instructions of what to expect, how it's going to work, and how to use painting supplies if they might not be familiar. Recommend that they always leave brushes in water and immediately clean any stencils they might be using. It also helps to have somebody on standby if anyone needs anything to run it to them quickly, since it is a timed exercise. Everyone starts with 15 minutes at first to create the baseline wash of their original canvas. Make sure they each sign the back so they know whose is whose at the end. After those first 15 minutes, you're at the mercy of the others at the party. Rotate your canvas clockwise, and you have 5 minutes to add to, contribute, or modify the painting that was passed to you. We started with 5-minute increments for the first 10, and for this group of 16, we then moved to 3-minute increments because you can see as you go along, the paintings get more and more detailed and complex, and there's less room to work with. At the very end, everyone gets back their original canvas and has 5 final minutes to add any final touches. Then it's a moment of truth. Everyone has to present a story about their canvas, of which they only had a small fraction of something to do with. If you have prizes at stake, this can both be really funny and really competitive. Oftentimes it's more about the way you spin your final result than the actual composition. After everyone's told their story, everyone gets one vote. We use post-it notes in this case to vote for their favorite story or composition. Your big winner gets the prize and bragging rights. This was such a fun way to do something different, especially for those who thought they had no creative talent at all. Try it out and let me know what you think.